Hello students, my name is Anita Sen, your science teacher from Shri Rama Bharti Public School. Today I will explain few more topics from chapter chemicals and chemical changes. So let's start. Chemical equations. Now in this topic, first we will go through chemical reaction. Chemical reaction. What is a chemical reaction? It is a process in which elements or compounds react with each other to form new products. Means a chemical change always results in the formation of one or more new substances which are known as products, and this whole process is called chemical reaction. Now, what is a chemical equation? Chemical equation is a representation of a reaction with the help of symbols and formula. Now, in a chemical reaction, usually we use the symbols of whatever elements are there or compounds are there. But there is one word equation also. What is this word equation? A chemical reaction can be expressed in words also by writing only the names of elements and compounds which are involved in the chemical reaction. Like in place of writing symbol, we can write down the names of the element and compounds. And this type of equation is called word equation because words are used there in place of symbols. Like you can see, carbon react with oxygen and it forms carbon dioxide. When zinc react with hydrochloric acid, zinc chloride and hydrogen is formed. So this type of equation is known as word equation. Now the topic is writing a chemical equation. How we will write a chemical equation by using their symbols. First of all, we should know what are reactants and products. The elements or compounds which react with each other, they are reactants. And due to their reaction, due to the reaction of reactant, whatever new substance is formed, that is known as products. Like you can see in the example, zinc react with hydrochloric acid. So means zinc and hydrochloric acid are reactant. And zinc chloride and hydrogen, they are the products. Now it is very clear, I think. You can see it is written very clearly. So means the symbols and formula of the reactants are written on the left hand side. And the products are written on the right hand side. Reactants always on the left hand side and the products are always written on the right hand side. Now again one more example, that is when magnesium react with oxygen. When magnesium react with oxygen, it forms magnesium oxide. Means magnesium and oxygen are reactant which are written where? On the left hand side. In magnesium oxide, it is a product which is written right hand side. Now we will learn the balancing and equation. How a chemical equation can be balanced. While writing an equation, we must make sure that the numbers of atoms of each elements which are there on the left hand side should be equal to the number of atoms of element on the right hand side. When the numbers are equal both the sides, then only we can say an equation is balanced. Now we will consider, or we will go for an example. We will consider this chemical reaction. Now you can see magnesium react with oxygen and it's forming magnesium oxide. Now we can see that one atom of magnesium and the two atoms of oxygen take part in this reaction to form one molecule of magnesium oxide. Now to balance oxygen atom, on both the sides of the equation, we have to multiply the products which are in the right hand side by 2. Now when we will do this, what will be the another equation? It will be magnesium plus oxygen 2NGO. But now again this equation is not balanced. Why? Now you will see the number of oxygen is balanced, but the number of magnesium atom both sides it is different. Now we have to balance the number of magnesium atoms. Now for this, what we will do? We will multiply the magnesium atom in the reactants, which are present in the left hand side by 2. Now you can see 2Mg plus O2, 2MgO. Now we can see the above equation is balanced. Now we can see the above equation is balanced. Now these are two examples for your practice. Now these are the two examples of your practice. The first one is not balanced and the second one is balanced. Okay, so now these are for the practice. So hope you all understood all the topics properly. Now this time is to say goodbye. Have a nice day. Goodbye.